Hello and good morning. Welcome to our final week together. Final week of your December classes, final week before the break, and final week of quarter two. So you don't have to deal with Mr. Jones anymore for a while. Yay! Reminder that we will be back together in March. Yeah, March, sometime in March. So don't worry, I'll see you again. No worries at all. Okay, so I want to talk to you about the schedule and what to expect for this week. Remember, this week is all about the DBQ. Okay, it's all about the DBQ. So again, this art is all me. I took the schedule off the district website and then put some awesome art for you to understand. Good to go. So Tuesday and Wednesday, no matter if you're online A day or B day, these days are going to be spent on the documents. Remember, there are 4 documents on our DBQ. I'll explain how those are graded here in a second. It is crucial. It is crucial to your success of getting a grade that you do all of the documents. There's only 4. Each one takes about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe. Like, it's not much. And I'll talk about how to chunk that up here in a minute. But you have to do those. I'm telling you, it's going to help you. You're going to get graded for that. And then we're going to do the assessment on Tuesday or Thursday, depending on which day you normally meet with me. So A day and online, we're going to do our assessment on Thursday. And then B day, we're going to do our assessment on Friday. If you have not done the documents for that assessment, you're going to fail the assessment. I'm just being honest with you. I want you to know kind of what's going to go into the grade. You're going to fail it. It's not going to be fun for you. However, if you do get ahead of it, do the documents, not only will you do really well on the assessment, you're going to have a lot of fun with it. It's good time. So set yourself up for success. Make things doable. There are 4 documents, if you remember, in the DBQ. And I'm going to have a video after this that's in Google Classroom going over document A. That's the first document. So that is pretty much going to do that document for you, to be honest. You just have to make sure to copy it down with you. But I'm going to have a full tutorial over how to do documents, all that. It's pretty straightforward. You read the document, you do the questions, good to go. But I'm going to do one with you. So that's one. On Tuesday, I'd recommend doing document B as well. So that's 2 documents for Tuesday. Then do documents C and D. That'll take care of your Wednesday. So then you're done with all 4 documents. I'm going to grade those, by the way, so you get a good grade from them. But then you've compared all your different options. You can form an opinion now that you've looked at all those, and then you'll be ready to go to answer the question, what was the Maya's most remarkable achievement? Good stuff, I'm telling you. So let's look at it. So again, Tuesday and Wednesday, documents. Thursday, Friday, assessments. So here's how you're going to be graded. For the learning opportunity, you're going to get 2 points per completed document. So every document, like you have like the thing, whether it's writing or a picture or a graph or something like that. And then you'll have questions at the bottom. If you do all the questions, I'm going to give you 2 points per document. There are 4 documents, quick math. That's 50 points. No, that's 8 points, right? Yeah, got it. That's 8 points. So you can easily get an 8 out of 8. Not bad, right? But if you only answer like half the questions, I'm only going to give you 1 point. And of course, if you answer like less than that or don't do it at all, you're going to get 0. That's a bummer. This question about what is the most remarkable achievement, that is the assessment. That is the big chunk of the grade. I'm simply asking you to kind of like have an argument, right? Like write down like what you think is the best, form an opinion. Not bad. We're going to have a little bit of debate in class to kind of like get you kind of on the right path and everything. It's a lot of fun. It's not fun if you have no idea what we're talking about. So that means if you come into class and you haven't done any of these documents, and then now we're doing a debate and assessment, you're going to feel really lost. It's going to be very embarrassing, and you're going to probably not get a good grade on top of it. I don't want that for anyone, right? It's so much more fun for me when we have a debate and I get to read like really well thought out assessments when everyone's done the documents. Because then you will, I'm telling you, if you do the documents, you will have something to say. Like you're going to have an opinion because you're going to have seen all the things and you're going to be like, okay, no, this one's the best because this one was lame and, like that kind of stuff. So set yourself up for success. All you're going to do in the assessment is answer the question. What was the most remarkable achievement? Every document talks about one of those achievements. So in order to have a good answer to that, you probably need to know what all the achievements are, right? Pretty straightforward stuff. Once you dive into it, it's a lot of fun. And like I told you before, we're going to do at least one more DBQ together in the spring. You're going to do DBQs all through your, high school and junior high careers. So like this is a good practice run to kind of get yourself set up. And the grade is actually pretty easy to get if you do the work, just so you know. So that is what we're looking at. So, hi, Emmett. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to remind you how to get into your DBQ. Yes, I will pet you. Say hi to the students. Okay, no, now he's laying on the computer. Very helpful. All right. So I'm going to show you how to get into the DBQ in case you forgot. Remember, there's going to be a second video on Google Classroom going over document A for you to kind of give you a good idea of like how to look at a document, how to answer those questions, things like that. So I'm pretty much doing one of them for you, giving you 2 points, but you do got to copy it down on your own DBQ. Okay, so you head to OneLogin. See, now I can't type because you're on the kisses. Okay, there you go. All right. So you go to OneLogin. Okay. You probably have to go to company everything. I mean, I'm a teacher. I guess I get a lot more than you guys. I don't know. I don't use any of it. But anyways, what you're looking for is the DBQ project, this guy right here. It's going to bring up a little landing page. You want to click the option sign in with or log in with Google. As always, anytime you do anything in school, click your Google account for school, and there you go. You're going to have a page that looks a little bit different, but your assignments will be there, and it'll be kind of in the middle, and you want to click view, the Maya, what was the most remarkable achievement. Some people just can't take a hint. Anyway, so there you go. Then you're in the document. If you go up here to cover, so if you look up here in the top left, it says cover. I can click on that and have a drop down, and I can hop into any document I need to, all that stuff. We're not doing the background essay. We just simply didn't have time. We did the hook exercise last week, and you're not doing the student essay either. You're just doing the documents. Not bad. So that's it. So again, real quick, everyone, your goal to get a good grade is to do all 4 documents, 2 points apiece, get a perfect 8 out of 8. Once you do that, you're going to have an opinion. I promise you that. You're going to have your favorite achievement that the Maya did, whether it's building cities, their trade network, their math, or their calendar. Like, you're going to have your favorite, and then you're going to tell me why and kind of compare it a little bit. That's it. Not bad. And we get to have a debate in class about it, which is going to be a lot of fun. So do all that. You're not only going to have a break at the end of Friday. You're on a holiday break for a couple of weeks. That's sweet. But you're going to go into that knowing you're getting a good grade on top of it. There's no better feeling, right? Think about the other options, not doing any of the work, being a little embarrassed, and then knowing you're going to get a really bad grade going into the break. I've been there before. That's a rough feeling. Don't do that. Do awesome on this. Let me know if you need help, and look out for that other video in Google Classroom showing you how to do the documents. Otherwise, I'll see you in class. Bye.